Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder EAS&Weather here with your day 1 fire weather outlook. There are two critical fire weather risk areas today. One covering east central Montana, southern half of North Dakota, far northern South Dakota, and west central Minnesota. A second elevated fire risk today covers southeastern New Mexico, northwestern Texas, and far southwestern Oklahoma. Alright, so these are the critical fire weather risk areas. Today include Lubbock, Texas, Fargo, North Dakota, Bismarck, North Dakota, Roswell, New Mexico, and Clovis, New Mexico. And there are three elevated fire weather risk areas today. One covering northwestern Wisconsin, most of Minnesota, northern North Dakota, parts of South Dakota, and parts of Montana. The second elevated today covers northeastern Utah, northwestern and north central Colorado, most of Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, and northwestern Nebraska. And the third elevated today covers parts of New Mexico, parts of Texas, and southwestern Oklahoma. Alright, so if you'll notice, there's a brown circled area there, and so you'll notice there's a purple area. If I could zero in here, there's a chance for scattered dry thunderstorms today. Alright, if you're across the south central part of the Panhandle of Oklahoma, parts of the Panhandle of Texas, and northwestern Texas, you have a chance for scattered dry thunderstorms today. Alright, if you're within this area here, the south central part of the Panhandle of Oklahoma, as well as most of the Texas Panhandle, and far northwestern Texas, you have a chance for scattered dry thunderstorms today. Okay. Dry thunderstorms are thunderstorms that occur without any precipitation, and because the air is so dry, the precipitation evaporates before reaching the ground, and therefore, dry thunderstorms. Alright, you can have lightning and thunder without any rain. And there could be some lightning-induced ignitions today. And we have a chance for isolated dry thunderstorms today that encompasses... Excuse me, sorry. My allergies are killing me. Anyway, the isolated dry thunderstorm risk today covers eastern New Mexico, western Texas, parts of the Panhandle of Oklahoma, far southeastern Colorado, and far southwestern Kansas. So cities in the scattered dry thunderstorm chances today include Lubbock, Texas, Amarillo, Texas, Plainview, Texas, Pampa, Texas, and Hereford, Texas. So, in synopsis, mainly zonal mid-level flow with multiple embedded impulses will prevail over the western and northern CONUS as a low-amplitude mid-level trough progresses over the southern plains today. A surface low will develop over the eastern plains and encourage low-level moisture return east of the I-35 corridor. Meanwhile, dry downslope flow will usher in behind the surface low and overspread the southern high plains. Cold temperatures aloft will overspread this dry air mass, encouraging high-base dry thunderstorm development over atop receptive fuels, supporting lightning-induced ignitions over the southern high plains. Lastly, dry westerly gradient-induced surface winds are expected across northern plains, driven by a deepening surface low over western Manitoba. Overall, an active day with relatively widespread wildfire spread conditions are expected over a portion of the plains states today. So, anyway, I'm not gonna read all of this because I feel like the synopsis. Well, hold on. Yeah. Yeah. I'm not gonna read all of this because again, pretty much the synopsis covers everything. So I'm not gonna. I'm pretty sure this graphic and the synopsis covers everything. So that's your day 1 fire weather outlook. Stay safe and vigilant in these areas today. If I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, and a battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice because fires can start and spread quickly. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas today. Please avoid outdoor burning in these areas today because all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start and spread quickly. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Do not throw cigarettes on the ground, even if they're not lit, because one, that's littering, which is illegal and unsafe, and you could face legal trouble if you get caught littering. And two, all it takes is one little spark for a fire to start and spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out. Make sure your cigarette is fully out before throwing it away. So, anyway, stay safe and vigilant in the areas today, and I will have my day 1 severe weather outlook very soon. Take care.